Hello everyone, it's me, your old pal Max West. I draw comics and I do children's picture books. It's day 27 of the 30-day drawing challenge. Today I'm going to refine a character that I want to introduce in an upcoming story arc for Poison Ivy Gulch. He's going to be an outlaw, and I've decided on a name for this character. His name is Rufus Cotton. He's going to do various things. He'll rob the bank. He'll shoot people up. He'll rob the general store. And he'll call information for phone numbers he easily could have looked up online. Alright, yeah, I want to go for a bit of a minimalist style here. I'm just following the advice of Johnny Hart, the man who created BC. Now simplify your drawing. I'm going to give him a stereotypical, cloth over his mask. Yeah, there he goes. Rufus Cotton came about from researching names in the Old West. I think it works for the character. He's going to be very stylized. And there we go. This bad boy is going to be terrorizing the town of Poison Ivy Gulch. Well, that's another day of the 30-day drawing challenge done. Hit the subscribe button below to subscribe to my channel and hit that bell icon for notifications. Check out Poison Ivy Gulch in the information below the video, the link below. Until next time, this is Max West saying goodbye.